By all accounts, I'm super average. I've got a job that requires me to work on a computer and sit on really important Zoom calls pretty much all day. Like I said, super average. But over the next 6 months, I'm gonna try something really hard. You see, I registered for Marji Gesick, and I can't believe I'm going to say this out loud, but I want to get a belt buckle. To get a belt buckle, you have to finish the race in under 12 hours, which is not something someone who's supremely average, like me, can usually do. Here's the thing. Most people sign up for Marji just to finish, and a lot of them don't make it. And most of those people are normal people like me. So going after a buckle, it's ambitious. I know that. I'm not a pro, I don't have sponsors, I don't have a support team, don't have a training camp. I'm literally starting this journey at the bottom of the mountain. But I have ulterior motives too. I have long wanted to document a year in cycling in Richmond, Virginia, because I think it's special, and I'm really excited to show people what it's like to ride a bike here. Clock's ticking. Let's see how it goes. Step 1 is Gravelocity. Gravelocity is awesome. It's part of the Virginia Endurance Series, a bunch of rides that take place in the winter all over the state of Virginia. All free of charge, all super fun, all very beautiful. And today I'm taking you along on my Gravelocity ride. First up, I've got to fuel. I'm using Monolith Performance, and I'm planning on about 75 grams of carbs per hour. Same here, mixing up my bottles, getting everything ready. I'm also going to include some Uncrustables, Trader Joe's, Crustless, and then I got distracted by a fox in the yard.
Butsy, come here! Butsy, come here! Butsy, come here! Alright, I don't want to take clothes off, it's so cold.
And screaming, knowing I can't go backwards. Baby, you 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 can't go backwards.
Just started a 1 mile climb on gravel. I think we're going up to the parkway. A little recap on how things are going so far. About a mile in, I dropped my chain into the frame of my bike to the point where I didn't think it was coming out. And I was either gonna have to bail or break the chain. Not an awesome start. I didn't film it because this is my first video. And it took me like 10 minutes later to realize I should have filmed that, because it was the thing that happened. Maybe I'll insert a dramatic reenaction here. Anyway.
Well, this bike is this chain. It's in the wrong spot, and I guess I gotta fix this bike.
Anyway, after that, picked up a spoke in my back. I picked up a stick in my back wheel that brought me to a complete stop. But yeah, after that, things have been good. Really pretty roads, very quiet. Only 2 people doing the 60-mile route today, me and Sean. So that's fun. But yeah, I don't know, I'll check in a bit. It's going.
So why even try? kicking and screaming, knowing I can't go backwards.
All right, we're about halfway, and it is time for a Crustless. A Trader Joe's Crustless. She's in bad shape, but she's gonna still be delicious. All right, how are things going? Nutrition-wise, I was wrong. I saw 60 miles and was like, fine, 15 miles an hour, that seems reasonable. It's way over 100 feet per mile, so that was not even a stupid estimate. So we are rationing out to about 2.5 hours per bottle instead of 2. It's fine. I'm fine. Other than that, great ride. It snowed. I'm not gonna talk with my mouth full. Bye. Not supposed to snow today. Hey buddies. What are you guys up to? What's up, Cal? You're okay. Hi, buddy. There you go. Ooh, 15 to go. Yeah, feeling the January fitness, feeling the couple weeks off. Just came up that still have a little more to go. Really needed Uncrustables, Crustless, Trader Joe Crustless, needed one of those. Yeah, 2.2 miles, I think, maybe. It might have been 3. It might have been 3 miles. The elevation chart, which my face is disgusting right now. 3 miles. Elevation chart was just red the whole time. I pedaled squares for like the first mile, maybe. Didn't walk any of it though, except for around some routes I didn't want to ride and some really chunky rocks because I only have 38s on. I rode it, but yeah, January fitness. This is where I'm supposed to be. It's fine. If this was really easy, I'd probably be ahead of schedule, and I don't want that. So we're gonna call this not a win. We're gonna call it, we know where we are. So I'm good with that. Okay, bye. Okay. Well, that's that. I'm back. I'm changed. I'm still very cold, but it's done. Overall, decent ride.